PSA, this video is made in complete compliance with YouTube's counterfeit policy. I want to make it very clear that I'm not endorsing, marketing, or selling counterfeit items, so do not buy counterfeits. I repeat, do not buy counterfeit items. This video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes to educate viewers so they don't get scammed. Just before the video starts real quick, I just want to let you guys know that every single product in this video is from our website. All links will be in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. It's your boy Ken, and today on this beautiful sunny day in the city of Toronto, we're going to be unboxing this 10 kg haul from JoyaBuy. And before anything, I just want to give a shout out to JoyaBuy for making this possible, and another shout out to EMS for shipping this package to me in only 7 days, which is record time. I paid $200 something for shipping. I'll put the exact amount up on the screen right now. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, it was really hard to open this box with just one hand, so I got my editor here.
Somebody said that my editor did a bad job because the music up too loud. Don't worry, I crucified him and got a new editor. So this is a new editor. And yeah, that's enough for my yak. Let's open this box. I actually got an unboxing knife, so I'm using I think it's a fruit knife.
Look at that, boys. Look at that. Already seeing some of the items. I think I'm gonna get all these items out of the box and onto my desk, and then we can go through all the items one by one and get into the video. Dude, I'm unboxing this and shit just keeps coming out. Alright, for our first item, we got the Sp5der Hoodie from the GOAT, Pika himself. This guy's the GOAT of tracksuits, anything to do with hoodies. Look at how thick this hoodie is. The material is nice as well. Puffy print. Oh, dude, that's nice. Let me put this on my desk real quick so you guys can see. Got the nice puffy print in the middle. Sleeves got all the prints as well. Damn, this is nice. I'm actually giving this away, so stay tuned for that on my Discord. I give this an 8 out of 10. Quality wise, it's great, and for $16 you're not going to get anything better, but personally I just like my hoodies a little more oversized. And here's the next item. This is a Chrome Hearts long sleeve. This was actually one that I was very excited and looking forward for. I think I saw Che wearing this, or I saw some picture of Chief Keef wearing this, and ever since then I've been obsessed with this piece. Now I finally have it in hand. I gotta say, this is actually a lot heavier than I thought, and feeling the print, it doesn't feel the best, but it will hold up in the wash most definitely. Chrome Hearts logo over here. This one feels a lot better actually, and I'll keep you guys updated on the collar print. A lot of the time these fall off in the laundry or over time, they'll just get really low quality, but I hope this one holds up. The rest of the quality of the shirt looks really well, so I have high hopes for this one. And you can also see here, we got all the tags, Chrome Hearts tags. Got the little print over here as well. Print quality on the back is way better than the sleeves, that's for sure. In terms of the material, and the material is also very nice. It's a really heavy t-shirt. This is probably heavier than any long sleeve I own. I give this a 9 out of 10. Only thing holding it back is that I haven't tested out the print quality yet, so after a couple washes, I might have to upgrade this to a 10 out of 10. And this next item, we got an Essentials hoodie. This is the most basic of basic items, but still a banger. You can wear it to the gym, wear it everywhere. Packaging, nothing special. You get a little Ziploc. It says Essentials Fear of God on it. Get that shit out of the way. Here we got the Essentials hoodie itself. You can see here, has the Essentials tag. Let me feel the quality on that. But here we got, it says Essentials. Letters aren't falling off. That's a plus. And I can't really see any flaws with it. The cut seems fine. You know, this is one of the items that every seller has made a billion times, so they got this item down to perfection. And in all honesty, it's a super basic item. It's just a blank with some puffy letters on it, which are like kind of rubbery. That's really all there is to it. Let's look at the inside tags. I got the Essentials tag, nothing crazy. We got these tags as well. And I'm not gonna bother with the wash tag because I don't think anyone's reselling these anymore anyways. This product's easily first 10 out of 10. 1-to-1, and it's so damn cheap. You really can't go wrong buying this. And here we got another Essentials item. Here we got the Essential shorts. I got the fleece line. There's the thin ones and there's the fleece line. I'm out here in Toronto, so you know it gets cold in the winter and you want to go outside, you know, go to the gym or something, and you can keep your shorts on. And this is perfect for that. These are actually some of the thickest shorts I've ever bought, and the material over here, like this looks so good. Also on the inside, it's so fluffy, bro. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like a fucking rabbit or something. It feels like a really good carpet. And then we got the Essentials logo over here on the crotch. If someone's looking at this, they're probably weird. So the print quality on this is actually really nice. I wish somebody told me how goofy I look recording this, but yeah, great product.
give it a 10 out of 10 as well.
And next we got a banger. We got this Denim Tears hoodie. And you can tell I already opened it because I got a little ahead of myself. But let's take a look at this. And oh my god, this print is so nice. This is better than the spider print probably. It's a lot softer. And I like the material on this as well. I actually bought a blank hoodie and it was like 800 grams or something. And it felt really nice like this, just like this hoodie. Take a look at these metal drawstrings or whatever the fuck you call them. Pockets lined really nicely with that same like rabbit or whatever the fuck material. And this one's less like rabbit. This one's more like if you shaved a rabbit. I don't know what the fuck it feels like. Just get one, bro. It's really good. Inside of the hood, also really thick. It says ready-made right over here. I didn't even notice this. Yeah, what can I say? This is a really good piece. I'm going to be giving this away as well, so stay tuned for that on my Discord.
Similar to the spider hoodie, this was a little tight. And I know I said I like baggier hoodies, but the material on this makes it way better than the Pika. Made it 9 out of 10.
These are heavy. These are a pair of Jordan 4 black hats that I got. This is the best batch on the market right now. You can see here, back tab pops right back up. Jordan logo got 4 fingers. Let's check for the eyelets. 6 eyelets. And the mesh is diagonal. Let's also do the toe box test. Pops right back up. This is a really good batch. You're never gonna get caught out in these because you literally can't. There's no flaws in this batch. You see over here the suede. This isn't actually suede. It's a different material Nike uses. And this is like exactly the same thing. Really nice. I'm actually going to be giving these away on my Discord, so stay tuned for that.
These are the GX batch and they're so damn good. If you're a size 9.5, please get the 43, not the 42. Don't make the same mistake I did.
Then another pair of shoes. We got over here the 95s, the Nike Air Max 95s, I should say. And when I was ordering these, I meant to order the normal triple black, but I accidentally got the special edition leather. Honestly, I can't say I'm a big fan of the shoe, but they are very different from what I usually wear. I got a pair of 97s. Wanted to get a pair of 95s just a daily, but didn't get the right colorway. I'll probably give these away over on my Discord as well, so stay tuned for that.
Again, I made the same mistake here. I got 42 instead of 43, but overall the quality on this shoe was just not even half as good as the Jordan 4s.
And the Essentials just keeps on coming. Here we got a black Essentials hoodie. Let's take a look at this. This is from the same seller as the last one. Apparently that guy has some of the best essential items, so I have to go and see for myself. And from the first 2 items that I've received, the shorts and the beige hoodie, I can definitely say that he has some really nice quality stuff. And what size did I get this in? Did I get the wrong size, bro? Oh, this is a medium. I'll probably just have to wash it. But dude, this feels so big. I think it looks fine. I don't know. I'm just fucking yapping. Got essentials tags over here. Look at the inside. More essentials tags. Let's make sure that these essential letters aren't really falling off. Yep, some good essential lettering. No one's even looking at these. They used to be kind of hype, but now they're super basic. This is a really good batch. This is 1-to-1.
Watching this back, I have no clue what I was thinking when I said the essentials keeps on coming. But again, this product is another banger for $10. You can't go wrong.
Next, we got a bunch of assorted t-shirts, starting with the Stussy Tee right here. This looks so well packed. Came with like a little bag that you would get retail. That's funny. Don't really need that. Here's a t-shirt. Make sure there's no spelling mistakes on it. Looks good. And this is the back. Dude, this is sick. See, no spelling mistakes here either. I really like this material. This is like a good thick t-shirt. Honestly, I'd recommend this. I think this thing was like 10 bucks or something, which is insane.
Another banger. This one's hella cheap and the quality on it is so good. Can't go wrong with it.
All right, let's get on to the next t-shirt. I'll do this gallery department one. Ooh, I remember this. I remember ordering this. This is a really nice t-shirt. I love this like washed texture. I don't have any clothes like this. I was never really big on like the workwear aesthetic with the Carhartt and everything. But yeah, this is cool. Gallery department on the back. It's super basic, not much to say.
Not a lot to say. Give this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Material was great. Would buy again.
On to the next item. Last t-shirt. I wish I could say this brand's name. I can't. Lanvin. I've heard people say it very differently. So here it is. Lanvin Paris and property of gallery department on the back. It's black on black, so can you see that on camera?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, cool. And here we got Lanvin Paris on the back. And we got the Made in USA tag.
I'm actually kind of getting tired of recording these voiceovers. Another banger. Not a lot to say, bro. Not a lot to say. 10 out of 10.
And next we got this pair of Emanuel shorts. You can see here, this is the packaging retail. So this is really nicely done. Let's take a look inside. Damn, the mesh looks fine. Let's also look at the Emanuel logo right over here. Beautiful. I got a super basic piece. This is just for when I go play basketball, you know, every once in a while. Got a size large. You do have to size up for these, but I will be the judge of that. I'm a pretty skinny guy, but I think this does look like it would fit.
Gonna be honest, this was one of my favorite items in the haul. If you're doing your own haul, make sure you pick this up. You can't go wrong with it.
And now we got this pair of Stone Island shorts. I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm not a big Stone Island guy, but I picked these up because I thought they looked cool. Mesh on the inside, these kind of look like swimming trunks. This is from Top Stony, one of the best Stone Island sellers. In one of my videos, I actually said Stone Hearts by accident. But yeah, I meant to say Stone Island. Got the Stone Island badge right over here. Let's take a look. There you go. Stone Island. Looks good.
I want to say this item is 1-to-1, but honestly, I'm not a fan of Stone Island. This material just feels like trash.
These t-shirts from Antisocial Social Club cost me $6 a piece. I accidentally bought 2 of them and didn't even realize. Bro, you're gonna be a fucking beast to open this. Let's take a look here. It says Antisocial Social Club. There's not a lot to expect from this shirt. You got the proper tag over here. The material is really, really nice on this. And it says Antisocial Social Club. That's really all there is. It's just printed right onto the blank. Nothing crazy going on here. No puff print. No crazy design to worry about. And yeah, this is a 1-to-1.
You can't even get a chocolate bar for $5, but you can get this banger t-shirt, 10 out of 10.
Next we got this Travis Scott summer shirt. I already took it out the bag because I was so excited for it when I got it. But I have to say, I'm a little disappointed, Travis. This material is so trash. It feels like wearing a garbage bag. I'm not even gonna lie. The seller did a good job. Everything is like same as retail. Even this trash ass material. See here, got this on the back, Cactus Jack logo on the inside, Cactus Jack logo over here. But I gotta say, I'm probably gonna take this off my website. Low key, I don't think this is a good product. It's made out of like polyester, feels like wearing a garbage bag.
Yeah, honestly, not a big fan, not gonna lie. Was kind of disappointed when I got it. It is 100% cotton though.
And next we got some unbranded stuff. I'm gonna be doing a whole huge haul video where I get only unbranded items. The thing with these are that they're way cheaper than you'll get at like Zara or H&M. Like this pair of shorts, or pair of pants, sorry, cost me like $8 or $10. You can see here the material is really nice. This is like a more summery piece. It's very flowy. And yeah, there's not a lot to say. It's just an unbranded pair of like linen pants.
I give this an 8 out of 10. Only reason it's not a 10 is because it kind of feel like it's a link collector, but I'll have to confirm that.
We got a pair of linen shorts as well. These are perfect for the summer. Look at that. Really like this type of material. Not much to say. It's just an unbranded, super basic item. These all cost me like $10 tops.
Fuck, bro, I look so goofy here. I look like an old man who just got out of the pool. Good product though, I guess.
And last item we got here, these are like some dressy pants. I've really been big on the business casual aesthetic after, what's this? Yeah, seller sent a Yap session. Don't care about that. Let's open this up. Sorry, Mr. CYC, you're a good seller, but I ain't reading all that. Let's see here. Yeah, it's like suit pants where you get this instead of a normal button. That's cool. I feel like it should have been more polyester, more like smooth and more shiny. It's not as shiny as I hoped for it to be, but still a great piece. I like the material. I have a pair of these that I got retail from Calvin Klein. They're very similar to these, and those are honestly my favorite pair of pants. So that's why I picked these up. I'm looking forward to trying these out in the real world, make some fits with them, and I'll let you guys know how they hold up.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I tried these on and the material is fucking trash. I would not recommend these. Don't get them, stay away.
And lastly, we got some accessories here. I actually forgot to record these. They were at the bottom of the box. I just finished recording all of the try-ons and stuff. These are like little keychains for hanging your keys to. Put your keys over here and you can just like clamp this into your pants thing. The little hooks that you got. Got 2 of them. These were like 84 cents for 2 or something. I don't remember, but they were less than $1, so super cheap. Yeah, let's move on to these chrome hearts glasses. You can see the material is, it's not glass, it is like acrylic. You can see here we got chrome logo inside of the lens. Don't know if you guys can even see that on camera. This right side is really loose and this left side is really firm. They got the engravings on the side. Chrome hearts says the model number in here, and it says chrome hearts made in Italy on the right side. Also has these on this side as well. On the front here we got these little chrome things. Overall for $1.36, I wouldn't say they're bad at all. I wouldn't recommend picking them up.
And that's all there is to it, boys. As always, make sure to check out my website, repfinds.co. We support a bunch of agents, including AllChinaBuy. And make sure to join the Discord as well. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. As always, it's been your boy Ken, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.